Alright, what are your guys' names?
I am Wesley.
I'm Elias.
Alright, and what's your project?
We made a trash monster. Elias, you go first.
It can eat blocks. You can eat only red blocks, blue block, green block, or yellow block.
Okay, can we see a blue block maybe then?
Okay, this is a blue block.
Goes in,
It will open its mouth to eat it.
and he eats it. It's a green block.
It will also eat the green block. It's
Nice.
coded on our computers. And now for a yellow block.
It can't go in because the green.
I think there's too many. I think it's a little full. Oh, never mind.
That is the way.
Alright, thank you guys.
And there's a red block.
No, there's already a red block.
That's still 2 you drop.